Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will showcase some beautiful, stunning candle holder design. So let's illuminate your world with the captivating beauty of candle holders. Join us on a mesmerizing journey through an array of exquisite candle holder designs that will add a touch of sophistication and charm to your space. From modern, minimalistic to intricate and ornate, these candle holders are more than just functional, they are work of art. In this video, you will discover a curated collection of candle holder designs that cater to various aesthetics and occasions. Expert tips on how to incorporate these candle holders into your home decor. Close-up shots highlighting the intricate detail and craftsmanship of each piece. Creative ways to use your ambience with a warm flickering glow of candles. So whether you are an interior design enthusiast or simply looking for inspiration to elevate your home decor, this video will ignite your passion for candlelight. Don't miss out the chance to transform your living space into a heaven of elegance and warmth. Hit the subscribe button and let the beauty of candle holders illuminate your life. Thank you for watching this beautiful collection. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.